Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a watch list on Thinkorswim. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to open up Thinkorswim app on your computer, PC, laptop and sign into your account. And then once we've done that, on the left hand side we've got a bunch of different things going on here, but we need to look for watch list. So you go ahead and click on that watch list and a little drop down menu. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on select watch list. So now this is where we can go ahead and create a watch list. So from here, we've got the option here to create a watch list. Now we want to give this a name. So I'm just going to call this test for this demonstration. Now from here, we got some options to add symbols, remove symbols. We can import. So we can import from a file or paste symbols from clipboard. And we've got we can move up and down of inside your watch list. So for example, I want to add a symbol, so I'm just going to type in USD. So basically you want to just add your symbols here and just remember the symbols that you want to add in. So I'm just going to type in AUD. This is just going to be random. So yeah, now if I want to go ahead and move these up and down inside of here, I can select onto that and move it up or down. And then once you've created your watch list, we can go ahead and click on save. Now if we come to the bottom here, we've got our watch list. So we want to make sure that is expanded, and then we can so then we can click onto the watch list name, or we can edit it if you like. We can share it, we can import, we can do a whole bunch of different things inside of here as well.